friends and welcome back to our channel K2N family. I hope you all are doing well. Today I've come with a recipe which can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. You heard me right. And this recipe has been most requested for me on my channel. So this recipe is none other than Mutton Sukka. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to prepare the Mutton Sukka, first I'm taking 1 kg of mutton. Let's add some salt for seasoning. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Let's mix all this well. Once mixed well, let's leave this aside for another 20 minutes for well marination. After 20 minutes of marination, now I'm going to transfer this into a pressure cooker. I'll add half a cup of water to this. And I'm going to pressure cook this for 4 whistles. Now here I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Add half cup of water and I'm going to blend it. So in a pot or a wok, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Now once the oil is heated, I'm going to add some curry leaves. Add 4 to 5 finely chopped garlic. Fry this for 30 seconds. Here I'm going to add 1 cup of shallot onions. If you don't prefer to use shallot onions, you can use the normal onions that you use in your house. I'm going to fry these onions until next 5 to 6 minutes until unless it's completely softened. And now that the onions are slightly translucent, here I'm going to add 1 large tomato which is finely chopped. And now let's keep on frying this until unless it is completely softened. Now that you see the tomatoes are completely softened along with the onion, now we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala. Now let's fry this for a minute. So this is 1 cup of stock water. This is the stock water from the mutton that we had pressure cooked. Now I'm going to add the coconut that I have blended. Now we'll give a really nice mix to this. I'm going to add some salt for taste now. Here I'm going to add 2 split chillies. Cook this for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now I'm going to add the mutton. Now I'm going to cook this until unless the gravy is completely thickened up. Now I'm going to add finely chopped coriander. Now let's give a final touch to this gravy. The gravy is completely dried. And now let's mix this all and cook it for another 2 minutes. So friends, our mutton sukka is ready now. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Enjoy this with your family. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching our recipe. If you have really liked our recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.